If you need to recover your Booking.com account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Booking.com website. Go to the official Booking.com website or open the mobile app to start the account recovery process. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the homepage. Click on it to access the login page where you can find account recovery options. Step 3. Select Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to initiate the recovery process. Step 4. Enter your account details. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your phone number or username, instead of your email. Provide the necessary details to proceed. Step 5. Follow the instructions. After submitting your information, follow the on-screen instructions. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or answering security questions to verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to recover your account. If you still encounter issues, consider contacting Booking.com customer service for further assistance.